Up next is a 2017 Indian Chieftain Darkhorse. The model is Chieftain. The Darkhorse refers more to the color than anything else. Thunder black smoke. That's the matte black finish from Indian. This particular specimen has under 13,000 miles on it and is priced right. Previous owner took excellent care of it, as did Jamie in our detail department, who made it look like this. This Chieftain is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos, where we are only closed 3 days a year.